you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about cell wall. Okay. So let's discuss what is cell wall and what it is its function. Okay. So our first is it is hard, tough, rigid, non-elastic, outermost covering of plant cell. It means cell wall is hard and tough and can say rigid, non-elastic. Okay, it is very hard and cell wall is outermost covering of plant cell. Okay, and this one is second point. It is non-living in nature, only present in plant cell. And it is non-living in nature and it is only present in plant cell. Okay, and it is outermost covering of plant cell. Okay, here you can see that this one is the figure of plant cell. Okay, this one is plant cell. This one is plant cell. And this one is what? Cell wall. This outermost covering of plant cell is cell wall. Okay. This one is cell wall, and inside the cell wall, this one is plasma membrane. Okay, this one is plasma membrane, and this one is nucleus, vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria. Okay. And this one is note that bacteria have cell wall and hence considered in plant cell. We know that bacteria have also cell wall. Okay, so that's why bacteria also considered in what plant cell. Okay, and plant cell is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. It is only present in plant cell. Okay, and the outermost covering of plant cell is plasma membrane, not cell wall. Cell wall is only present in where? Plant cell. Okay, and our next point is cell wall is thick and cellulosic in nature. We know that cell wall is thick. Okay, suppose that this one is cell wall. It is thick because in the cell wall there is primary cell wall, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall and tertiary cell wall. That's why it is thick. Okay, cell wall is thick. This one is, suppose that this one is plant cell, but plant cell is not look like this. This one is plant cell. Okay, so cell wall is divided in three parts: primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and last one is tertiary cell wall. That's why it is look like very thick and very hard. Okay, and tough. It also protect cell for it protect cell wall for many type of infection, disease, you can say. Okay, it is protective layer of plant cell. Okay, cell wall. Here you written that it sorry. It is subdivided into three layers. It is subdivided into three layers. First one is primary cell wall, second one is secondary cell wall, and third one is tertiary cell wall. Okay? And now, what is middle lamella? What is middle lamella? Okay, let's see what is middle lamella. It is chemically made up of calcium pactate or magnesium pactate. It is chemically made up of calcium pactate or magnesium pactate. Okay, it connects two cells. Written that it connects two adjacent plant cells. Middle lamella help to connect two adjacent plant cells. Here you can see in the figure that middle lamella connect adjacent plant cell. This orange part, this one is what? Middle lamella. This orange part one is middle lamella. It connect adjacent cell. Okay. And this one is primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and tertiary cell wall. And they collectively known as what? Cell wall. Okay. This is about the middle lamella. And now next point is it can be dissolved. It can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme. And middle lamella can be dissolved with the help of what? With the help of pectinase enzyme. Pectinase is a type of enzyme that is helped to dissolve. And this one is not. That fruit become soft and juicy due to dissolution of middle lamella. You see fruit become softy, very soft. Fruit look like very soft and what we can say, juicy. Fruit is juicy, we know. It is only due to dissolution of middle lamella. Okay. This all thing is about middle lamella. Okay, I hope you understand about middle lamella and about cell. So now we will discuss about what is primary cell wall. Okay, I hope you understand what is cell wall and middle lamella. Okay, and now what is primary cell wall? The first point is it is outermost layer, thin and made and elastic in nature and composed of cellulosic microfibrils, hemicellulose and pectin. primary cell wall is outermost layer. This one is primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary is outermost layer of cell wall. Okay, and it is thin and elastic in nature, and it is okay. And it is thin and elastic in nature. Okay, and composed of cellulosic microfibers, and primary cell wall composed of uh, mic- uh, cellulosic and microfibers and hemicellulose and pectin. Okay, and it is look like this. This is the figure of what primary cell wall, and this space is and this in here the matrix is present. Okay, matrix is present. Okay, and this one is microfibril. Okay, this one is microfibril cellular microfibrils. Okay, I hope you understand about primary cell wall, that is it is outermost layer of the cell wall, and it is thin and elastic in nature, and it is made up of cellulosic microfibrils, hemicellulose, and last one is pectin. Okay, now move. And our second one is about what? Secondary cell wall. Okay. Let's read about secondary cell wall. First point is it is present below the primary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is present below the. This one is primary and this one is below the. This one is secondary cell wall. Okay, below the primary cell wall. Okay, it is thick with respect to primary cell wall, and it is thick. It is thick as compared to primary cell wall. Suppose that this one is primary cell wall, and the secondary cell wall, and this one is primary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is thick with respect to primary cell wall, and primary cell wall is thin. Okay. And it is rigid, thick, and composed of cellulosic microfibrils, hemicellulose, and pectin. And secondary cell wall secondary cell wall also made up of cellulosic cellulosic microfibrils and hemicellulose and pectin. Okay, and it is rigid and we can say hard, thick. Okay, and our next point is sorry, it is present in most of the plant cell but absent in meristem cell and parenchymatous cell. Secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall. It is present in most of plant cell, but it is absent in meristem cell and uh, parenchymatous cell. Okay, in both cell, what secondary cell wall is absent. Okay, I hope you understand what is secondary cell wall and what is primary cell wall. In this video, we will discuss about what is cell wall and what is where cell wall is present and about its shape and size. It is hard, tough, and rigid, and non-elastic and outermost covering of plant cell, and it is absent in animal cell. Okay. It is non-living in nature. Cell wall is non-living in nature. Okay, and it is only present in where? Plant cell. Here is a figure of plant cell. This thick layer is called cell wall. Okay, and inside the cell wall, the plasma membrane is present, and bacteria have also cell wall. So that's why bacteria also considered in a plant cell, and it is subdivided into cell wall is subdivided into three layers. First one is primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and last one is tertiary cell wall. Okay, and what is primary and what is middle lamella? Middle lamella connect two adjacent cell, two or more than. Okay, middle lamella, it is chemically made up of calcium pactate or magnesium pactate. Middle lamella is composed of chemical it is made up of what calcium pactate and magnesium pactate. Okay, it connect two adjacent plant cell, two or you can say more than plant. It connect, here you can see this one is what? This one is middle lamella. Okay, this orange part is one is it connect cell to each other. This one is middle lamella. Okay, and here you can also see this. This one is secondary cell wall. It is thick as compared to primary, and this green one is this one is primary cell wall. Okay, this one is primary cell wall, and this one is secondary cell wall, and the yellow, this one is plasma membrane. Okay, now and middle lamella can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme. It helps to dissolve. Okay, and fruit becomes soft and juicy due to dissolution of middle lamella. Food becomes soft and juicy only due to middle lamella. Dissolution of what? Middle lamella. Okay, and now we will discuss about what is primary cell wall. It is outermost covering layer. Okay, thin and elastic in nature, composed of and composed of cellulosic microfibrils and hemicellulose or what pectin, and this one is a figure of what primary cell wall. Okay, now we will discuss about what is secondary cell wall. It is present below the primary cell wall. First point is secondary cell wall is present below the cell wall. This one is primary cell wall, and below the primary cell wall the secondary cell wall is present. This one is secondary cell wall. And thick with respect to the to primary cell wall, and it is thick. It is thick as compared to the respect of primary cell wall. Okay. This one is primary cell wall. This one is cellular microfibril, and this one is secondary cell wall. This one is secondary cell wall, and this one is primary cell wall. Okay, secondary cell wall and primary cell wall. And the third one is tertiary cell wall. It is present like this. This one is tertiary cell wall. Okay. In next video we will discuss about what is tertiary cell wall. Okay, I hope you understand whole the video. And here the last point. Sorry. And last we will discuss about secondary cell wall. That is, secondary cell wall is rigid and thick and composed of cellulosic microfibril and hemicellulose and pectin. Okay, it is present in most of plant cell but absent in meristem cell and parenchymatous cell. In both cell, secondary cell wall is absent. Okay, it's all about what secondary cell wall. I hope you understand about what is cell wall and what is middle lamella and primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. And in next video we will discuss about tertiary cell wall and discuss further. I hope you understand all the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.